Don't you get stressed of getting melted every single summer? Stop using those annoying remote controllers to cold out your body, your sweaty body. Don't you get totally depressive when your air conditioning doesn't work or you don't know how to make it work? Don't you get mad when you ask for help and nobody wants to answer you or maybe help you? Don't you become sad because your parents doesn't even know how to help you? But no more, your problems are totally over with the new Easily Hot helpers. We will help you to understand how your air conditioner works and how you can use it in an easy and comfortable way. An air conditioner has two connected coils with continuously flowing refrigerant fluid inside them. The one inside the room is called evaporator. The one outside is a condenser. The principle of an air conditioner is to keep the evaporator cold and the condenser hot. The continuously flowing fluid will absorb the heat from the room and eject out to the surroundings.
To achieve this process, you need two more components: a compressor and an expansion valve. The compressor increases the pressure of the refrigerant. The compressor handles the refrigerant in its gaseous state. As it compresses the gas, the temperature rises along with the pressure. The temperature at the compressor outlet will be higher than the atmosphere. If you pass this hot gas through the condenser heat exchanger, you can eject the heat.
A fan in the condenser makes this task easier. During this phase, the gas gets condensed to a liquid state. An expansion valve is fitted at the exit of the condenser. It restricts the refrigerant flow, reducing the pressure of the fluid. As it drops, one part of the refrigerant liquid is evaporated, so its temperature drops. This is how the cold refrigerant is produced.
This low temperature refrigerant should be at a temperature lower than the room. So by passing the room's air over the evaporator coil, the room temperature will drop. The refrigerant gets converted to vapor during this process. We have achieved the fundamental rule of an air conditioner.